Quickshots. So let's see if the Quickshots work. Now, I did see somebody online mention that they did their update and they were unable to do any of the Quickshots. It looks like they're in here. I can see them in mine. Now, if that person is out there watching, one thing you got to remember is make sure you update that fly app, because some of these people that done the update with the DJI Fly app 1.5.8, and I think that's probably where they ran into trouble. This new Fly app is 1.5.9. So let's see if it's actually working. So let's do a circle. Okay, we have it on circle, and let's draw a box. Okay, and let's click start. And here's Quickshots. Quickshots circle, and the Quickshots is working, guys. The Quickshots is working. This is so cool. It's really nice that they've done all of these updates. It's really nice to have all these features now. And boy, this Mavic 3 is fast. Boy, when she does the circle or anything, she is fast. Okay, so let's go back into here, into Quickshots. Let's do a rocket. Okay, and we're going to draw a box, and we're going to do a rocket. Here's a rocket. Should be straight up. Oh, it's coming over top of me, I guess. Quick shot complete. It's returning. Okay. That was a rocket. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we've done the rocket, we've done the circle. And what other features? We have a helix. So let's do the helix. And let's go. This is the helix. It's a little bit chilly today, but this is the first break we've had in weather. I think it's like -3 right now. It's been down to like -19. It's been terrible here. It's been terrible. And as you can see, we have lots of snow here. Okay, how's that helix? Oh, she did the helix great. And she's coming back. She comes right back to where you started. Okay. So let's go in there. What else do we have? Boomerang. Let's try a boomerang. Okay, let's draw a box. And let's click start. This is the Boomerang, Mavic 3. Now, apparently we're supposed to get more snow this week. Here's the Boomerang. She starts in a circle and then she starts heading up higher. Going around. And she's dropping some altitude. She's coming back to where she took off from. Today we, if you can see on the ground, we brought our landing pad. We don't normally bring out the landing pad. But there's so much snow here that we patted down a spot and put it down there so we had a takeoff spot. Okay, so let's see what else is down here. Asteroid. We definitely want to do an asteroid. Okay, guys. So we're going to draw a box. Yeah, I love the asteroid on all the DJI drones. So here we go. Let's do an asteroid. Asteroid with the Mavic 3. She's climbing. She's climbing. Now she's taking a whole bunch of shots. We're going to end up with a picture that's like a 360. Yeah, she's turning. She's taking a whole bunch of shots. I love the asteroid feature on the DJI drones. It's so cool. Okay, looks like she's done her. She's returning. Okay, so we've done the asteroid. We've done Boomerang, Helix, Circle, Rocket. The last one is a droney. So I think we're just going to do a droney. Okay, draw a box. And away we go. Here's the droney. And there's the droney. Now, if you notice, guys, I have a lot of sun directly to my right. So I positioned the drone when I was doing this actually facing me instead of facing into the sun.